How to fix Instagram following pending problem. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram following pending problem. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Follow and Invite Friends. Here, make sure the flag for review option is enabled. This option ensures Instagram is aware of any account or follower-related issues that might require attention. Now go back to the main menu and tap on Help. Here, tap on Report a Problem. Then tap on Report a Problem again. This will prompt you to provide more detailed information about the issue. Next, tap on Include and Continue to add more context to your problem. Finally, type your report in the provided text box, such as, "Please solve my problem and fix the request pending error. I'm unable to follow users because my requests are stuck in the pending status." This helps Instagram understand the nature of the problem and assist in resolving it faster. Once submitted, Instagram support team will review your issue and reach out to you with a solution. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.